Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a soft and moist and delicious butter cake. Before we start making the batter, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now we can start to make the batter. I'm going to sieve all the dry ingredients 3 times. First add Maida or all-purpose flour and then add some baking powder, baking soda and some salt. Sieve all these ingredients 3 times. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check it out. Then take 4 eggs in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to it. Beat the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes till it's light and fluffy. Then add powdered sugar. Add the sugar little by little and continue to beat. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk and add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Combine all this for about 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. Now you can directly add all the dry ingredients, but I chose to sieve it once more. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and gently fold it together. Don't over mix the batter and don't deflate the air that we've created. Gently mix the dry and the wet ingredients. Make sure there are no lumps remaining. Transfer the batter into the prepared cake tin. I'm using a 10 by 5 inches cake tin. Grease and line the cake tin with parchment paper or butter paper so that the cake comes out easily. Transfer the batter into the cake tin. Tap the tin on the counter a few times to remove any air bubbles. And then bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Each oven is different. Start checking after 40 minutes itself. If the skewer comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Once the cake has cooled down, then you can remove it from the tin. So this is it. A very easy and simple butter cake is done. Now let's cut into this cake. This is one of the best butter cake recipes. It's one of my family favorites also. It's so soft and moist and delicious. You can see from the video itself that this is an absolutely gorgeous looking cake with the perfect crumb. Every time my family comes together for a get-together, this is the cake that I bake and it always disappears quickly. So do try out this delicious butter cake recipe. Until next time, bye bye.